Yeah.
You didn't have it on?
Yep. I didn't hit the red button.
Water's Mama. Water? Oh, he thinks it's wonderful. He came down that hill. He was going to go right in. Weren't you? Woo! You wouldn't like it. Let's go see Mama. Did you catch it, Grandpa?
It's underneath the boat.
Well, that's where it was. What's Grandpa doing?
Oh.
Whoa! Didn't like that a lot. No kidding. Where? Yeah, say bye. Come bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.
How deep of water are they in?
Here we go. Gotta go throw it in. Let's go throw it in, Mama. We're gonna go throw it in.
Okay.
Tell Mama.
Throw it in, Michael.
Here, over here.
Well, we'll have to go look and see. I don't think you know the wall ground
throw
well
it
enough
in.
to hold it.
Throw it. Woo! Here comes Grandpa. It's coming. No, gotta leave that alone, too. That's, owie, owie. Owie, owie. He wants that water. Yeah. You can sit right there.
Hey, Michael. Michael, are you in the boat?
Black and if it's too light color. I want to go there. Go in there and fish for him.
What you doing?
My Peter said the whole bunch of them clusters up there. They're
He
black.
doesn't know what to think of that thing.
Michael, where are you? In the boat?
The walleye should be old gold on the side. Yeah. That's what walleye said. About half and half.
Doing, Michael? Going on the boat? Huh?
No! Whoa!
Huh?
There's Auntie Pam. Look at Pam, he's in the boat. Hey, were you eating sand? Yep.
I thought that this morning
You
was
should have
lucky.
seen him slide down the hill. His tummy. I bet you that outfit's perfect for that. Not too good, I bet, huh? What you doing? That darn thing. Right there.
What you
There
doing,
you
Michael?
go.
You in the boat? You in the boat? Are you in the water like a duck?
Oh, I think she did. I thought she was sitting up there.
Well, you want to go over and see if them are walleyes?
Should we go for a ride? Think Grandma wants to go? Soon as the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
I think she's going home with me. I think I already told you that. I asked her again. She said she wants to go home? She said, oh, Bonnie likes to be with Michael, and they're going to be driving down there.
You riding in the boat? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom. Going? Like a duck? What's a ducky say? Yeah.
Whoops! That thing kind of slopes, doesn't it? You're going to be in an awful predicament here pretty quick. There we go. How's that?
Grandma go.
She went into the bathroom. You want to ride? Should I go get her? Or go swim? I don't care. I already went.